The day has come. I'm making my prints. Yes, guys, it's been such a long process. I had an idea originally, right, from my big painting that I did. I separated the colors, made each layer very clean, and I was gonna screen print them. I had a problem come about with the manufacturer. They couldn't guarantee me the quality I wanted, and I had to improvise. So now I have finally figured it out. I don't fully know if it's gonna work. That's what this video's for. It's the sample making process. Gotta clean up my station, so.
Yeah, was it meant to be?
All right, and it's all set up. So now, before I start my whole process, I actually have to run to the store. Forgot one more thing I need. Always as an artist, I think that you should do whatever it takes to get the best quality, right? But before I do that, I want to show you guys the money right here. Thankfully, I did successfully get it laser cut, each and every layer of my design. My friend Renzo did it, so shout out Renzo and his architecture firm. Y'all see that? If you guys know me or have been with me, either as a client or supporter, you know that this is my cloud pattern, and this is kind of what the heart of my business and my model and my brand is about. I'm very proud of this. It came out way better than I could ever have imagined, and I really think that this is going to be a success. And with this being my first public art piece, that's all I could ask for, you know? So without further ado, y'all will see when we start the process. And like always, thank y'all.
I've been lost in my right and wrongs, like I don't know what side I'm on. Can't explain this how I'm on. I've had some demons, but I fight them off. I think they live in my mind or fuck. It's never clear, I can't see it all. I press the climb. My screen is off. So what's up in the cut? I won't run, never done. Need some money, gotta give me some. I want bread, not the crumbs. Gotta beat them to the punch. Don't act fake, put down your fronts. I stay high without the blunts, and I'm proud.
Alright, y'all. So these are actually based off of one of my paintings, my most recent paintings. And I have a short showing the whole painting, so go and check that out. But if you want to win that painting, an original art piece of mine, this is your ticket into the raffle. Each print will come with its own raffle entry. I'm gonna pick the winner, and whoever wins the raffle is getting my giant original version of this. So that one was fully hand painted, all freehand, spray paint for the shadows, straight onto the canvas. That short is crazy. Check it out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I appreciate all the love and support. Please subscribe, get your paintings, dropping soon.